Okay guys, so in the previous video we have seen the reflected XSS on plus.in. Then after that I researched and I found there is also stored XSS there. It is present here. So let me give anything. Okay, skip alert, anything. Okay, email ID we will need to give the original one, .com, gmail.com, and mobile number. Let's say give the script. Okay. So so in this way we will not able to find which one is okay. So let's say hello one and hello two, right? So in this way we will get to know which one is vulnerable, because this only the name section is there. So submit. Okay, it has been submit. Your query has been submit. Let's go back. Okay, uh, what happened here? I think something happened. Okay, not a problem. So let's do it one more time. Let's reload this. Nothing is happening here. Great. Okay, so not a problem. We will again try. I think that might be not vulnerable. Let's say hello. Okay. Okay, let's see this time hello to, and subject. Let's see subject. Give the subject here. Okay. But again, the problem is how we will get to know which field is vulnerable. Okay, hello one. Submit. We will contact you soon, right? Okay, now let's go back. So that field is not vulnerable, the name one, right? Let's try in the subject one, and in this field, okay, again hello3 at the rate gmail.com. Name is, let's say, hello. Mobile number, again, okay, hello3. Let's see if subject parameter is vulnerable. The query has been submitted, received. Okay, let's go back. Okay, it's again not vulnerable. Okay, great. I think the message field is vulnerable. So let's try this one again. Let's try. Okay, hello. Mm, Giving all the details. Now let's see what is happening here. So let's go back. Oh, it is not showing anything. Is it so? Mm, but okay, let's try on the feedback. But I think it's vulnerable because I have just tried and it was showing it to me. Okay, let's try in the Mozilla one. Maybe something is going on here. Plus.in. Okay, so we will go here down, and we can do one thing. We can try with the automatic one. Okay, let's try this last time with the manual one, and if it is not happening, then we will try with this one. Okay, so let's say document.cookie. That one would be more better. Hello at the red gmail.com. This one. Okay, let's say submitted. Okay, okay, so looks like it's not vulnerable, but we can't say. So what we will do, we will just open the. Okay, I'm going in my desktop in the Bob suite, in the Bob. Okay, here it is, and let's start it. Run. Meanwhile, let me set the proxy here. Settings XY. So Okay, next start up manual proxy. Okay, and cross. Great. So what we will do, we will just try here. Intercept is off, and we will go in the target section. Let's try this one. Contact us. Okay. So in the name section, I'm giving this one email ID. Okay. Let's give hello one. Email ID is hello@gmail.com. Mobile number is 1234567890. Okay, that's fine. Subject is, let's say, hello 2 we are giving, and here is hello 3 just to show you. Okay, now what I will do, I will just go here and intercept this request, submit, right? And we got many things, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. Okay, so let me send to the repeater, and okay, this one, I think this one is uh, directly sent to his intruder. That will be much better. I want to attack directly. Payloads position, clear all. So firstly we will try where we will try. So let's try on name, right? On name, and let's try on subject, correct? Okay, on these two places we will try, and in spite of sniper, I'm going to use battering ram. Okay, now okay, let's say sniper for single, but I think for double it is double payload. But let's start uh, because where is XSS in the previous download? Here it is, XSS, which that one I already gave you. So let's start attack. If we are getting anything, 1433 is the payload, 401. Are we getting anything much good? Let's say lengthwise no more than 1433. So looks like it's not vulnerable, not a problem, not a big deal with that. So plus dot in 68. Okay, let's try. We have something, right? Let's try this one. Looks like different. Come on. Oh, it is too fast. Okay, let's complete it. It is taking time. So in this way, this is the way that how you can check the things for XSS. And one tip I will tell you in the next video, that is that how you can check the XSS for the forget password for the sorry, for the forget password link. That is too good. So we'll talk about that in the next video. But in this video, let's try if we have anything. Your query has been received. We'll contact you soon. Okay. Uh, we don't want that, bro. We okay. Sure response. Okay, let's try there. Is this happening something? Oh no, not happening. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem about that. Let's try in the that feedback form if we have anything, right? So let's let's go here, feedback form. Okay, again we have something. Uh, a script. Let's say this one and this one at the rate. mobile number message is submit. Okay, hello@gmail.com. So these are the simple script which I'm just trying to do, and you can try with other things as well, because it might be vulnerable, because I'm not trying with so many of the things, but you can try with that. Okay, this one order ID, order date, this one let's say name, mobile number. Okay, hello@gmail.com. Reason of alert, please enter ID, valid ID, order ID. Okay, great. So let's see if there is any chat button. Okay, we have also create new account, so you can check here, as well. But I have given a hint that how you can check those things. Here is blog, so you can check on blog as well. See, I haven't checked these things totally, right? So you will have to check all the things here. This is one of the things from my side, and let me check it if we have more. Okay, view more. Anything we are getting to media, fakes, fast delivery, secure payment. Okay, great guys. So that's it in this video. You can mainly we always find in any of the form stored access mainly found in these places. You can also check for the blind accesses. I have only shown for the stored accesses, but you can also check for the blind accesses, because it happens that sometimes stored access is not worked, but blind accesses whenever the server employee or the server administrator just open that, then it got reflected. So make sure that you are also checking for that blind accesses. So that's it in this video, guys. We'll meet in the next video with some new tips.